Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake from Bon Bon Biscuit, only ways. Crush Bon Bon Biscuits into fine crumbs, mix with sweetened condensed milk and vanilla, then fold in whipped cream gently. Press half the crumbs into a lined pan as the base, add a layer of fruit or cocoa, top with remaining crumbs, chill until firm, then unmold and decorate before serving. Gather all ingredients and tools so the process flows without interruptions. Crush Bon Bon Biscuits into uniform crumbs and melt butter if using a firmer base. Whip cream to soft peaks and fold gently with condensed milk to avoid deflating the mixture. Slice fruit or prepare cocoa layers while crumbs chill. Keep everything within reach to assemble quickly and confidently, making the whole experience calm and enjoyable. Press crumb mixture evenly into the pan for a solid foundation and add any fruit or cocoa layers carefully. Cover and chill the assembled cake so it firms and slices cleanly. When unmolding, run a warm knife around the edges, invert onto a plate, and peel the liner slowly to maintain shape. Finish with grated chocolate or sprinkles, slice with a sharp knife, and enjoy with a warm cup or chilled drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.